Hi, I'm George, and this all started for me one morning when I woke up and I realized that I was significantly more tired than I was even when I went to bed the night before. And I wasn't thinking clearly, and I had brain fog, and I didn't move right. And that had started happening more and more often, so I wanted to make a change. So I decided to start working out. And I tried a fitness program, and then another fitness program, and I tried any advice I could find. Most of it was go for a run, or don't run but lift weights, or lift weights and run. And all of it was very, very confusing. And nothing was working. Well, once I became frustrated enough, I reached out for help, and I reached out to Dr. Shelley and her team at Natural Health Practices. Her team was great from the very first phone call. And I remember Dr. Shelley said something right in the beginning to me that was curious. She said, the foundation of all fitness is food. And I had been trying to follow the food advice of the internet gurus, eat more protein, lift more weight. But Dr. Shelley had a different approach, and she offered me her Paleo mini course. Now, I've heard all the words on all the diets before. In the last few years, I've seen keto, I've seen paleo, carnivore diets, vegan diets, vegetarian diets, and I've even read the book, Eat This, Not That. Well, the idea of going down a diet wasn't really anything I was interested in, but Dr. Shelley convinced me to give this a shot, and I'm really happy that she did. You see, up until this program, I always found making food changes difficult because my schedule can be crazy. I travel a lot, and quite honestly, I have a very bad habit with food changes of wanting the changes but not sticking to the programs that I started. Well, Dr. Shelley promised me that this mini course was set up to help me solve these problems and get the results that I wanted. Well, first of all, she was right. The program is simple and it's clear. There's a definite place to begin. It's easy to get on board, and there are easy steps that fit in my schedule. In fact, every single day, I get a prompt to take a tiny action step forward. So I figured that I'd have to go out of my way to fail on this program, so I wasn't going to do that because I knew I wanted the results, and her Natural Health Practices team made it easy. My second challenge that was fixed in this program was choosing what to eat. You see, the Paleo mini course was laid out in such a way that it takes the guesswork out. There are sample recipes that are simple, not complicated. There are resources included, and there are videos from Dr. Shelley's team to help keep you motivated and connected. I felt connected to this program every step of the way, every day. And lastly, with most programs, when questions come up, and they always do, you often have to wait 2 or 3 days to get an answer. And during that time, I'd just lose interest or I'd get distracted. Well, in this mini course, I was able to get answers really quickly. The team was paying attention and they responded fast. And other course members were openly sharing what they were doing, their experiences. And so the whole program felt like everyone wanted everyone to succeed. It was such a good group, and it kept me involved and it helped me get the results. So yes, I would recommend this Paleo mini course to anyone who wants to feel better or look better or move better. I lost weight, I lost inches, but more than that for me, I now have a successful model I can use when reading labels, looking at menus, or even just choosing food for the family. So I found great success in this course, and I know that if you take the time to go through it, if you just engage, you'll get the results too.